Many individuals experience digestive issues such as chronic constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and leaky gut. The colon plays a crucial role in eliminating waste and maintaining overall digestive health. When toxins accumulate, they can cause bloating, discomfort, and sluggish digestion. Fortunately, natural remedies can help cleanse the colon, improve bowel movements, and enhance overall gut function. In this video, I'll show you an easy, all-natural detox drink that can help flush out toxins, boost digestion, and leave you feeling refreshed from the inside out. When to consider a colon cleanse. If you often feel bloated, experience irregular bowel movements, or suffer from low energy levels, your body might be signaling the need for a colon cleanse. Frequent gas, constipation, and sluggish digestion are common signs that toxins may be accumulating in your system. Additionally, poor digestion after meals and skin breakouts could indicate an imbalance in your gut health. By periodically cleansing the colon, you can help remove built-up waste, support the body's natural detoxification process, and improve nutrient absorption. However, it is crucial to maintain a balanced diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and hydration to ensure long-term digestive well-being. How to prepare a natural colon cleanse. Before starting, choose a day when you can stay at home, allowing your body to adjust to the cleansing process. This will help you monitor how your body responds and avoid any discomfort while at work or in public. Ingredients you will need. To prepare this natural colon cleanse, you will need a tall glass and a spoon for stirring. The key ingredients include 3.5 ounces of clean, warm water, not boiling, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 cup of organic apple juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in detoxification, supporting digestion, and maintaining hydration during the cleanse. Instructions you must follow. Begin by heating the water until it is warm, but not boiling. Pour the warm water into a glass and add the sea salt, stirring well until it dissolves. The sea salt works to stimulate digestion and aid in toxin removal. Next, mix in the apple juice, ginger juice, and fresh lemon juice. Stir thoroughly to ensure that all ingredients are evenly blended before drinking. This combination of ingredients helps promote bowel movements, reduce bloating, and support overall colon health. Why these ingredients? Each ingredient in this detox mixture plays a crucial role in cleansing the colon and improving digestion. Apple juice is a powerhouse of fiber, particularly pectin, which supports gut health by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria. Regular consumption of apples has been linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a well-balanced gut microbiome. Ginger juice, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps alleviate bloating, relieve nausea, and enhance bowel movements. It also stimulates the digestive system, ensuring the colon efficiently flushes out waste. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that aids digestion and supports liver function. By breaking down food more effectively and promoting bile production, lemon juice plays a vital role in fat digestion. Sea salt, when consumed in moderation, helps stimulate bowel movements and cleanse the colon. Additionally, it replenishes electrolytes and supports proper hydration, further aiding digestive health. How to consume the cleanse. To achieve optimal results with the cleanse, it is essential to follow a structured routine throughout the day. Begin your morning by drinking a glass of the cleansing solution on an empty stomach. Around midday, consume another glass before a light and nutritious lunch, such as steamed vegetables and baked salmon. In the afternoon, have a final glass to continue supporting the detoxification process. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of warm water throughout the day to aid in toxin elimination. However, it is advisable to reduce liquid intake after 5 p.m. to avoid frequent nighttime bathroom trips. Additional tips for a successful colon cleanse. For a successful colon cleanse, consider incorporating additional healthy habits. Avoid processed foods, dairy, and excessive caffeine during the cleanse to minimize digestive strain. After completing the cleanse, introduce fiber-rich foods such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and leafy greens to support gut health. Engaging in light physical activities like walking or yoga can help stimulate digestion and enhance the cleansing process. Additionally, ensuring adequate rest will allow the body to efficiently carry out its natural detoxification functions. Precautions and considerations. Before starting this cleanse, it is important to take certain precautions and considerations into account. While generally safe for most individuals, consulting a healthcare professional before beginning any new health regimen is highly recommended. This is particularly crucial for individuals who are pregnant or nursing, have a pre-existing medical condition, or are taking prescription medications. Additionally, those with allergies to any of the cleanse ingredients should proceed with caution. Diabetic individuals should also be mindful, as the high natural sugar content in apple juice may impact blood sugar levels. Prioritizing safety and seeking medical advice can help ensure a positive and healthy experience with this cleanse. Real-life experiences with colon cleansing. Rose, a 35-year-old yoga instructor, struggled with chronic constipation for years. After incorporating this natural cleanse into her routine once a month, she noticed a significant reduction in bloating and more regular bowel movements. Similarly, Christopher, a 42-year-old office worker, found that cleansing his colon helped alleviate his frequent digestive discomfort and improved his overall gut health. A 2021 case study published in a digestive journal followed a group of participants who practiced natural colon cleansing for 4 weeks. The results showed that 80% of them experienced improved digestion, reduced bloating, and better overall well-being. These findings support the notion that periodic colon cleansing, when done safely, can be beneficial for digestive health. A natural colon cleanse can be a simple yet effective way to reset your digestive system and support overall gut health. By incorporating whole foods, staying hydrated, and making mindful dietary choices, you can maintain a healthy digestive system in the long run. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with friends and subscribing for more health tips and natural remedies.